So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Man Cave here in Wistful Vistas, Southern California. I'm going to apologize about the sound quality on this video because I'm not using a remote mic. I'm using the built-in mic on the camera. But I want to share with everybody a really great vlogging accessory that I found. I think this is really worth sharing. Got it on Amazon. It's by a company called Ulanzi. Not sure if that's going to show up or not, but Ulanzi is the name of the company, and it's a case. It's a GoPro camera case that looks a lot like other camera cases, with the exception that it's got a built-in receptacle here cast into the molding for this crazy GoPro dongle, which I think is the correct technical term. I'll move that out of the way and get a little better contrast. That allows you to connect an external microphone, which is necessary if you're recording video with your helmet on. So it works really well. It's solid. There's also a shoe up here to mount things like a microphone. It's not a hot shoe. It's called a cold shoe, but works really well. So you take the camera and you can load it in. Then you drop this little slide piece over the top. Here's a little snap there. And the camera is in there very solidly. And you have the dongle. A little tricky to get it through here. Bear with me while I do this. Might speed this part up just a trifle, but get it in there. You set that in. Once again, it's solid as can be, and you attach it here. It's kind of a tight fit, but you don't want it flopping around, and voila, you've really got a nice setup for vlogging. Now I've not ridden it yet, so I can't, nor do I know its longevity. Don't know, but it feels solid enough. But I'm really, I'd say, optimistic that this is going to work out. I'm going to show this box name again, Ulanzi, and show the setup, which I think works excellently. Adds a little bit, but it's much more than having the dongle hanging out there on the side of your helmet while you're trying to vlog. One drawback, the only thing that I'm less than enchanted with, is that this piece here, which is nice, solid, and cast in there, gives the camera lens good protection. Unfortunately, doesn't allow you to use a standard lens protector when you're not actually videoing. So how much of a drawback that is, I'm not too sure, but you don't want to drop it under any circumstances. There are third-party manufacturers that sell a lens protector, and I do have one on this particular camera, so I would recommend getting that. But other than that, it's hard for me. Here's where the microphone attaches. It's hard for me to see any drawbacks to this. In any case, I wanted to share this with everybody, and I'm really liking the look of it. So I will go on a ride here and report on how well it works. But very optimistic at this point in time.